India's decisive military operation aimed at neutralizing cross-border terrorist hideouts that had increasingly begun to employ drone swarms for surveillance, delivery of explosives, and psychological warfare. The Bhargavastra system distinguishes itself by employing a hard-kill approach, a direct and physical method to destroy enemy drones mid-air. Bhargavastra, India's game-changing answer to drone warfare. On May 13, 2025, India successfully tested Bhargavastra, counter-drone system, a pivotal technological leap developed by SDAL, that is Simulation Development and Analysis Laboratory, a DRDO-affiliated lab. The system was used in real combat conditions during the high-risk Operation Sindoor, India's decisive military operation aimed at neutralizing cross-border terrorist hideouts that had increasingly begun to employ drone swarms for surveillance, delivery of explosives, and psychological warfare. Bhargavastra's successful deployment marks a milestone in India's evolving defense ecosystem, especially in asymmetric warfare scenarios where low-cost, high-impact threats such as drone swarms are rapidly gaining prominence. The Bhargavastra system distinguishes itself by employing a hard-kill approach, a direct and physical method to destroy enemy drones mid-air. Unlike soft-kill methods that rely on jamming or spoofing the drone's navigation or communication systems, the hard-kill approach eliminates the possibility of a drone regaining control or changing its course. This was particularly critical during Operation Sindoor, where India's elite forces operated in drone-heavy conflict zones, close to the LOC, that is line of control, facing coordinated aerial threats from multiple hostile micro and mini drone units launched in swarm mode. Bhargavastra leverages radar-guided smart munitions, high-speed kinetic interceptors, and a sophisticated sensor suite to detect, track, and destroy drones with pinpoint accuracy. Its ability to neutralize targets in fractions of a second was evident during Sindoor's night operations, when hostile forces launched a drone swarm as a diversionary tactic while attempting to exfiltrate. The system's AI-enabled fire control mechanism and automated threat prioritization allowed Indian forces to intercept and destroy over 90% of incoming drones, thereby preventing a potentially catastrophic ambush. What sets Bhargavastra apart is not just its lethality, but its cost efficiency and modular design. Developed using indigenous materials and with a scalable architecture, Bhargavastra provides tactical units with real-time counter-drone capability without the prohibitive cost associated with traditional missile-based air defense system. Another notable feature is its multi-layered defense algorithm capable of differentiating between friendly, civilian, and hostile drones, a crucial aspect during urban combat scenarios. During Sindoor, Indian forces were operating near border hamlets and civilian infrastructure, and the system's precision ensured zero collateral damage, aligning with India's doctrine of ethical warfare. The success of Bhargavastra also speaks to India's growing self-reliance in critical defense technologies, with drone warfare expected to dominate future conflicts, both in conventional and non-conventional theaters. The Bhargavastra system represents a critical pillar in India's defense and counter-insurgency operations. In conclusion, Bhargavastra is not just a weapon, it is a symbol of India's strategic foresight, technological maturity, and battlefield adaptability. Its success in Operation Sindoor has proven its efficacy and has now opened pathways for mass production, integration with AI-powered surveillance systems, and eventual export to friendly nations facing similar threats. As India strengthens its military capabilities in a fast evolving security environment, Bhargavastra will undoubtedly serve as a cornerstone in safeguarding national sovereignty against the modern menace of drone warfare. This was it for today. For more such videos, stay tuned with Uday India.